Behind me is the Serb embassy in Skopje, the capital city of Macedonia. As you can see, there's no one here. There are no protests. There's never been any protests outside this embassy, despite various claims of interference. No protest, no nothing. I can't see Borjan Jovanovski, I can't see Pavle Bogojevski, I can't see Levica, I can't see Branimir Jovanovic. There's no one here.